What's going on, everybody? This is Shields again with Carolina Custom Homes, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm over here in Randolph County, North Carolina. I'm going to be taking you through this really cool Heartland 3. So obviously it's blacked out, so let's get right into it. You've got the black vertical vinyl siding on this exterior here. You've got the big 6x25 open vaulted gable style front porch with the wood ceiling there. How cool is that? Really nice. Absolutely love that. Got the black gutters and downspouts, black windows, the black trim around those windows. So all these things I'm kind of pointing out would be options. You know, the vertical siding is going to be a little bit more. All this detail, we'll go through all this with on your front porch about the finishes and all that good stuff, but how cool is this? So let's get in here and check it out. All right, so now I'm on the front porch, and before I go in, I wanted to show you a little bit more of this front porch. Look how cool that is. Got the wood ceiling up there, again with your vertical black siding, black windows, all that stuff. Really nice sized porch here. Notice the black aluminum pickets opposed to the matching wood there. We will go through all that again, like I said. And one of the 3 included front doors that we offer. So you'll notice in our brochure packet that's online on our website that you have 3 free doors at no extra cost, and then some doors cost more. So definitely check that out. So let's get started. All right. So again, this is the Heartland 3 at 1,825 square feet. Got a big, nice open concept here. So I'm going to spin back to that front door as I show you the kitchen. We'll go into more detail on that. So this is your living room. Got the appliances that need to go in, but a really good sized living room here. And that opens up to your dining and kitchen. So one thing I wanted to point out is this is the alternate kitchen for the Heartland series. Now, a lot of times with the alternate kitchen, you'll see in my videos that people add the bootlegger or hidden cabinet pantry door type thing right there. So this is a great example of somebody who does the alternate kitchen but does not option in the bootlegger pantry on top of that, because the alternate kitchen is a little bit more expensive. What a beautiful range hood. Check that out. So we actually show a range hood just like this in our Heartland 2 model on site. And you know, you can change the colors of the shiplap there to match your cabinetry. So really cool stuff. This massive island here in the middle. Got storage on both sides. Great example of the included laminate tops. So if somebody doesn't option in granite or quartz, a great example. Big farmhouse sink. Just a great walk-in pantry. Got a spot for a freezer there. Awesome space. Can't beat it. This customer did elect to option in the 3rd door here. So you'll have your front door and utility room door included. They went with the atrium door. That one swings. You can do a true French sliding glass door. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. Got the pull down attic for your to access the attic space there. So on my right would be your utility slash mudroom. You got the sink. That is optional. This is included at no extra cost, but a great example of the utility room sink. They kind of added some extra cabinetry here. I would say you could just do this or that and more. So a really good example there. Again, the laminate tops. All right, and this is the original Heartland 3. So you've got the living room and the den / family room, and then 3 bedrooms, okay? So when you turn left, you've got the 2 beds, 2, 3, and your second bath, and then straight ahead is that secondary family room / den. Missing some light bulbs, so bear with me on the lighting. This is the whiskey barrel floor color. Probably hard to see now that I'm in the dark, but over here you can see it a little bit better. The walls are going to be included with the agreeable gray by Sherwin-Williams as your wall color. Just a basic white trim color and ceiling color. The last of the spare bedrooms. Today you're seeing the included trim package. What I mean by that is your brushed nickel trims, hardware, water faucets, hinges, doorknobs, all that stuff. But you are seeing on the outside, you saw the black exterior trim package. And what I mean by that is your soffits, your fascia, all that good stuff. So black windows, which, I went through that stuff on the outside. So crossing over to that main space to the master suite. And that master bath. So this is the optional 4x6 shower. I would say there are no extras on this shower either. So what I mean by that is it is included with the rain head, or the rain head up top, and then your handheld here. So you got separate diverters, so 2 separate switches basically to turn those separate water faucets on, and all that good stuff. So one thing I would also note, with that 4x6 shower, you can frame that in for a true water closet. As you can see, this customer did not. It is a little bit more expensive to frame that water closet in. Got your big linen cabinet here, 2 sets of drawers, or a set of drawers there, cabinetry, below those sinks on each side. Great example of the black frame mirrors, so that's an included option. You've seen lighted mirrors, all that good stuff, but that is kind of a great example of what's included. And again, the black trim package with your fixtures and all that stuff. So again, this was the Heartland 3 at 1,825 square feet. I'm going to drop down my email right here. It's shields@nccustommodulars.com. Again, that's shields@nccustommodulars.com. I want to thank you guys for all the support, all the subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps me out a ton. And I just want to thank you all for everything. So I hope you're enjoying it, and I really enjoy doing this. So yeah, every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. Thank you guys. Take care.